Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today I'd like to show you small LEGO Technic set 30433. This is a polybag from 2022 and this is a scale copy of Volvo wheel loader. Unfortunately we don't know exact model of the wheel loader. Maybe this is a smaller copy of huge wheel loader 42030. Here you can see the pieces. According to Bricklink, this set consists of 69 pieces. Here we have bucket, 4 wheels, 1 green beam to represent Volvo engine, and also some connectors, worm gear, 2 8-teeth gears, and I think nothing special here. Also the set has 4 stickers, small sticker sheet. Here we can see Volvo logos, and the most interesting part of the set is not instruction book but instruction sheet. It's like in old good sets from 90s. Yeah, this is it. All the building instruction occupies only one pretty big sheet. And here we can see functions and also pullback sets from 2022 and 2021. Yeah, I really like these instructions. It's so cute and it reminds me sets from my childhood. Building process will not take a lot of time, and here we have assembled loader. It looks not bad, I think. Here we have leather and something like cabin, green engine in the rear end, 4 wheels of course, and the bucket. The model rolls very well due to pins without friction. We have a handle on the top, worm reducer 1 to 8, and also we can tilt the bucket manually for loading and unloading. I can demonstrate this process with extra pieces. Yes, this set even has extra pieces. We can load them, then tilt the bucket, and we are ready to move this material and to unload when it's necessary. And the boom has significant working range, so I think this is a pretty playable model. Unfortunately, polybags are not so widespread like usual LEGO sets in boxes. But yes, this is a cute set, and of course you can build it out of your pieces, because this set has no rare or unique pieces. Maybe the most difficult part for you if you build LEGO Technic sets will be this system bucket and this system hinge to connect the bucket, but you can replace it by something built by yourself. And I think that's all. Actually nothing to show here, but yeah, the set has 3 functions. We can roll it, we can tilt the bucket and raise the boom. The only one function that could improve the set is the steering, of course, but the model is so small and so light that it's not a problem to steer it, at least on a flat surface. I hope you like this video, thanks for watching and see you next time, bye!